Hello everyone and welcome back. Today is Sunday and I have been going and I have been so excited for today because it's just like a me day. So there is actually a farmer's market right up the road from my house, so we're gonna head there now. I am so excited. I feel like such a city girl. I made my list, which I will insert here, of all the things that I kind of want. Okay, let's jump into some items I would love to get from the farmer's market this morning. I haven't been in a while, so I'm not really sure what they offer, but here is my wish list. First off, I would love to get some avocados. I have some lunch and breakfast ideas with an avocado. I also like to get some fruit to snack on, like an apple and some grapes, instead of snacking on chips and crackers. I also just ran out of honey, so I need to get some honey if they offer it for my breakfast, and I want some flowers for my apartment. I actually canceled my HelloFresh, so I have one last week this week, so I'm good for dinners this week, but in the next coming weeks I will not be getting HelloFresh, so I have to kind of think more of meal planning. So just kind of want some fresh ingredients. Like I said, it's been a busy couple weeks, so I've been eating out a lot, and I kind of need some like fresh fuel for my body. So let's head out, but first I need to show you my outfit. So this is my outfit. I am wearing a romper from Old Navy. I absolutely love it. It was from like 2-3 years ago, so I don't even know if it's still available, but I wish I had it in other colors because I feel like I'm going on a safari. I have this canvas bag. It says San Diego on it. I thrifted it. It is the biggest canvas bag I own. I have a few more, but this is the biggest one. Air Forces, of course, and I have my sunglasses on. I put a little bit of makeup on, but not too much. I also put some sunscreen on, so let's head out. It's about a 0.5 mile walk, which is not bad at all, so like 13 minutes. I am so excited, and I hope everything can fit in here. I'm a rookie, I have no idea. Okay, we are just leaving. It is so hot out here, like over 90 degrees, and I feel so disgusting. I got a lot of stuff. They did not have avocados, which is a little bit disappointing. I don't even know if that's something that would, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know if that even happened at a farmer's market, but yeah. I am walking home now. It was so fun. I think it would have been nice to have, I thought it'd be really fun alone. And it was, but I think it'd be really fun, especially the first time, because I was trying to figure it out like with someone else. So for example, like I thought I had $20 cash, which don't really know why I don't, which is kind of concerning, but I thought I had $20 cash, and I don't. So I went to go buy some broccoli, and I was like, he's like, oh yeah, $4. And I was like, I don't have cash, what do I do? So they have like a token system, where you give them money and they give you tokens, and they give them money like with your credit card or debit card, and then they give you tokens, and each token's $1. So that's what I did. I took $20 out, but I felt so like dumb, like don't even know how to farmer's market. But I have one token left, so I'll show you when I get home. I'm like 5 minutes from home. I'm just walking home, dying, so hot, need a water. Yeah, fun time though. I'm a local city girl. I'm so hot. And I wear this cute little outfit, and I just feel so disgusting. Like, it's such a hot day. It's supposed to break on Monday or Tuesday, I think, but it's like 92, 93 outside. And the walk there is not bad at all. Like, it's like a little bit uphill, but it's like not even anything. And I am dying. Look at my face and my hair. So sorry for my appearance, but I wanted to do a little farmer's market haul. I just want to quickly show you like what the token looks like. So it just says fresh access, just harvest. It's like a little token like this, and it's for $1. So that was like kind of cool. And I think it kind of enhances you to come back. So now I have like $1 that can only be spent at the farmer's market, so I can see kind of why they did that, but I was so embarrassed. They can take cash, so I think they're also kind of making it more accessible for everyone to kind of go. So that was kind of cool. And a good kind of learning curve for me. So they did not have avocados. I think I already said that, but they didn't have any, which I'm sure makes sense. I'm just not a farmer's market girly, so I don't know if that's like uncommon or not. So I'll kind of just walk through what I got. I spent $19. I got 20 out, and you kind of have to think like you have to eat this within the week. So I didn't want to like, there was so much like cool like fruits and veggies I've never even heard of before. Like what was the one, like a white peach, some kind of like nectarine that I've never even heard of. I'm like, that would be so fun to just try, but maybe next time. Or maybe I had like a roommate or something. But I got 2 heads of broccoli. Yes, I'm showing this to you in my living room because my kitchen is not cute. There's not good lighting. So I got 2 heads of broccoli. That was $4. The next thing I got, which was not on my list, which is surprising because I love corn, is that I got 3 different ears of corn. My parents have been getting some local produce, and when I was home the other weekend, they got corn, so I asked like to cook one up, and it was delicious, like such a good snack or a side. So I got 3 of them. I got 3 for $2.25, which I thought was a pretty good deal. There was another stand that had 1 ear for $1, and I got 3 for $2.25. So I did think I got a good deal. I don't know. I'm sure it's the same stands every single week, so I'm sure they know like what other people are pricing and how to get the better deal. So good job on that. I got apples, so I did get that off of my list. These look so yummy. I got 4 of them. They were in like a carton. I wanted like 2, and I got 4. The guy, I didn't know if I could buy them alone, and like he was a little bit intimidating, so I just got all 4. I don't remember how much it was. I don't think it was expensive. I think it was like $3, maybe $2-3, so not bad. I have some apples to be eating, but they're gonna be so yummy. Last thing I got was some local honey. So this was my most expensive thing. It was $9, but it is a pound of honey, so this is gonna last me literally forever. Can you even see it? It's from Dillner Farm, the Dillner family farm. And I eat honey every morning with my yogurt. So I thought that would be a really good, like I already needed some. I know you can get them cheaper at Aldi, but that's not the point of a farmer's market. I walked around before I bought this. Like I was looking for maybe some other things I wanted to try. But I ended up getting this because it looked so yummy, and I can't wait to try it tomorrow morning. That's going to be the end of this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. It was a little bit shorter, but I like kind of like recording like these kind of random Sundays, like just fun things, like just trying to explore and take advantage of my area because I live in such a cool city and there's like so many things to do, and that's why I love it living here. So I want to like make the most of it, and everything around me is like pretty much walkable distance. So I want to get better about like taking advantage of, yeah, what everything's around me. There's tons of cute little local stores, so trying to be better about that. So now that I have some time, I'm gonna try to focus on that. So again, thank you for watching. I'm gonna go shower and cool down, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.